I'll show you how to log into multiple Gmail accounts in a laptop or PC step by step. Open your browser and go to gmail.com. When Gmail loads, you should see the inbox for the account that's already signed in on this computer. If you land on a sign-in screen instead, sign in with the first account now, because Gmail won't show the profile picture until at least one account is active. Now look in the top right corner and click your profile picture or the initial in the colored circle. A small panel drops down with your current account name at the top, any accounts already linked, and a few buttons below. This panel is where Gmail keeps every account attached to this browser, not just the one you're looking at. If several accounts are already linked, you'll see a Show More Accounts option here. Click that first, and the list expands so you can see everything already connected before you add another one. If the account you want is already in that list, just click it and skip the rest. Otherwise, the Add Another Account button sits near the bottom of the panel, so scroll down inside it if it's not visible. Now click Add Another Account. Google opens the sign-in screen with an email or phone field sitting in the middle. Type the full email address for the account you're adding. I always type the whole address instead of picking a suggestion because the suggestions can include old accounts that are no longer accessible. A second work address works well here, so type something like jordan.sales@gmail.com. Click the blue Next button below the field. Google checks the account name. If it doesn't recognize the address, the page stays here and shows the error in red under the field. Check the spelling before clicking Next again. On the next page, the password field is already open and the email address is printed at the top so you can confirm it's the right one. Type the password for that account. Passwords are case sensitive and the browser will warn you if caps lock is on. If you're on a laptop you trust, click the eye icon to see the password, because that stops the same typo from happening twice. Then click Next below the password box. Google now verifies the password. If two-step verification is on for this account, a prompt appears on your phone and the page tells you to confirm it. Approve the prompt and the browser moves forward without typing a code. I keep two-step on for every account I add because it's the only thing that stops a stolen password from becoming a stolen inbox. If the page just spins for a few seconds, wait it out while Google syncs the new account. After verification, Gmail opens the inbox of the account you just added. The top right now shows that new account's photo or initial. If it's a brand new account, the inbox is empty, and you'll see a small welcome message across the top. To confirm everything's active, click the profile picture again. The panel now lists both accounts. The account you're in right now appears at the top of the list, and the other one sits right below it. Now that the second account is signed in, the fastest way to move between them is this same panel. Click the other account in the list, and the tab reloads into that inbox. You stay signed in to both, so you never re-enter a password. Notice that the left sidebar labels and filters change when you switch because each account keeps its own mail organization. If you want both inboxes open at the same time, right-click the Gmail tab in the browser and choose Duplicate. Then click your profile picture in the Duplicate tab and choose the other account. Now you have two separate tabs, one for each inbox, and you can move between them without switching the same tab back and forth. The Duplicate tab keeps the same browser sign-in, so both accounts stay active. One mistake people hit later is clicking the profile picture and then sign out of all accounts when they only meant to switch. That signs you out of every account at once, and you'll have to log back in from scratch. Instead, click the account name you want, just like we did, and leave the sign out button alone. If you do want a different account to be the default when you visit gmail.com, that sign out of all accounts button is still the right tool. Sign out, then sign in with the preferred account first, and Gmail will treat that one as the primary account. If this got you set up, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.